Alright guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra official silicone case from Samsung. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I do not like this case at all, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. But first I'm gonna go over the cutouts and everything like that. As you can see, they have the USB-C port cutout with the mic, with the speaker, and then with the S Pen cutout right there. On this side, you have the button for the power and the volume down and up, which are very clicky, if you can hear that. Then you got the cutout for the cameras with this like hard kind of trim around it. Then you have a cutout for the mic up here as well. And then on this side, pretty much nothing, pretty much clear. This is kind of like the really soft red pinkish color, which looks cool, and it does feel nice to the touch and everything. But the reason why I do not like their cases is, one, this feeling of the case really feels dry at times and make it hard to come out of your pocket. And then also, if you can see here, and this is just with one hand, see how it's automatically starting to come out. The phone is starting to come out of the case, and that's like, I'm barely doing that. So it doesn't really feel secure in that way. So it's like, if this drops, it's pretty much nothing. Also, inside of the case, there's no felt or no soft inside. It's like just a hard plastic. Unlike Spigen or other cases that's like this, they have a nice soft inside and stuff like that. But this one, no. Yeah, I feel like for the price, which I did get on sale from Best Buy for like $22 or so, which is less than what the original price is, which I believe $29.99. So I did get it on sale, but you pretty much can get other better cases on Amazon or something like that. So personally, if you could get it under $20 or something like that, or you buy the Samsung from Samsung website and they give it to you, free, cool. But if not, I'll definitely say just try to get another case instead of this one. But that was my quick little review of the Samsung silicone case. And until next time, deuces.